Welcome, today I'm with BeBird Smart Visual Ear Cleaning Root, the model B2 Pro, and I will show you how you can clean your camera. So at first we have to open our device, remove ear spoon, so grab it right here and then just pull. When you take a look inside, right here, you will find the camera. It's right here, let me catch focus. I hope that you can see it right now. It's right here inside. So you have to grab, for example, the paper towel, remove small part, then you have to roll it like that. Grab with these additional accessories, apply a little bit of window cleaner on it, then you have to put it inside, press, and then just twist for the left and the right few times. You can also press a little bit harder to be sure that the cleaning is finished. We can also start from the second part and then just remove. After that we can use dry paper towel, so roll it, grab like that, and then just dry it out. So simply put it inside, press, and roll a few times on the left and the right. And after that you can just remove it and attach back this spoon. Okay, and as you can see, that's all. I hope that right now your camera image will be improved. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.